Hey guys, it's Isaac from Grafs. I am going to talk to you guys about this week's annual of the week, begonias. There are so many different varieties of begonias, so I'm going to go over some of those cool varieties with you. So there is a Rieger begonia, good for the shade, gives these full bloom all summer long. There's an Iconia upright fire. This one can actually handle the sun, so even if you don't have a shady spot in your garden, you can still grow some begonias. Here's that bedding begonia I was talking about, a classic small leaf, lots of flowers, lots of different colors. And then we have the Fragrant Falls, which has these big double blooms. And this one actually smells like lemons. And there's also one that smells like peach. And then one of my favorites, the Rex begonia. This one is called Fireworks. And there are a lot of different varieties of these, very reptilian, cool textures and colors. And then there's the Nonstop, which has these big showy blooms, like a lot of them. And they bloom nonstop all summer. There's the Griffin, which gets really big in a shady spot, a really good statement. There's a classic Dragon Wing, pink and red, 4-inch, 8-inch, 12-inch, hanging baskets, whatever you want. And this one can handle a bit of sun as well. Stop in, check out some of our cool begonias.